Welcome to my channel, Array Zone Delicacies and Adventures. Today, another adventure as we are releasing the queen after 3 days.
Stay tuned.
The queen, which remains in the
Array Zone Delicacies
queen
and
box, is going to be released by way of marshmallow.
Nice day.
Put in place, and her other honeybees will eat that marshmallow and extract the queen bee. So it's going to be great for the hive to have a queen. I had trouble in the past, as you know, with a lot of bee stings. So I tried 2 hats on, and the second hat just wasn't fitting too well. Although it served its purpose, these bees are quite mellow and are not giving me any trouble. Before I go any further, please subscribe to my channel. Comment, like it, and share it if you will. We try to bring all kinds of different content. So here I am, fumbling through getting to 15,000 bees, and I've got the queen hanging in her queen box, which I will then take out the cork and replace it with a marshmallow. The queen is very fast, so they will oftentimes jump. So you gotta be real careful and be ready. I was a little nervous because it just thought I was gonna get stung by a few bees, but nothing happened. These bees liked me, so it's pretty awesome. So once I got fed up with my helmet, I tossed it to the side. But until then, I worked on putting the marshmallow in and putting it back in its place in the frames of the hive. Now, some of you know that my left hand is very shaky. So my right hand is trying to do some work, but my left hand is holding the box with the queen in it. So I struggled a little bit. Here I am putting the cover box over, and I don't think I smashed any bees. And then I'm going to put a feeder on top of that. So it was a successful day of putting in motion the process of releasing the queen. I plan on taking a look tomorrow to see if they'd eaten through the marshmallow. And then I'm going to close it up for a while and not bother them. Going to be planting my garden in a couple of weeks, and they're gonna have a fun time working on my garden. So, a successful day. I didn't get stung. I'm headed back up to the top. Please subscribe, and you have a fantastic day. Array Zone Delicacies and Adventures welcomes you.